In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create an interactive web dashboard that pulls data from your Pipedrive account. And to do this, I'm going to use the free web app StyleBI. So to start off with, I signed into StyleBI. I'm going to click Connect to Data Source. Scroll down the list of possible data sources, find Pipedrive. Here it is. Select it, click Create. Now first, I need to enter my Pipedrive domain name. Notice how when I enter the domain name, the URL section updates with the domain name to show the URL that I would put in a browser to view my Pipedrive account. Next, I'm going to enter my API token. To find your Pipedrive API token, log into Pipedrive. Click on the user profile icon at the top right. Under My Account, click on Personal Preferences. Then under Personal Preferences, click API. And there's a button by which you can copy the API token. Paste that into the aforementioned section. Click OK. Next step is to click Create Query. Select Pipedrive Query. Next, I need to select an endpoint. For this video, I'm going to make a dashboard with the organizations endpoint. Scroll down, click OK. Next, I'm going to save my data worksheet. Click OK. Next, I'm going to click Create Dashboard. And I'm not going to use the visualization recommender for this dashboard, so I'm going to click Finish. Click Continue. Next, I'm going to save my blank dashboard. Scroll down, click OK. Next, I'm going to click the pencil icon to edit my blank dashboard. Okay, and I think I'd like to start by creating a pie chart. So I'm going to drag out a chart. Going to make it a little bit more narrow. Click Edit, click through the full editor. And I'm going to select a pie chart from this menu here. Click the check mark. And now I need a field to get a count on. So I'm going to use name for that. And I'm going to convert name to a measure. Then I'm going to drag it into one of my axes. So now I have a count of names. Next, I need a dimension on which to break down the data. And I think I'm going to break it down based on whether there are more items in the collection. So I'm going to drag that into the color section. Click Finish. And now I have a pie chart showing how many of the organizations have additional items. But I think I would like to add a table that shows the detail level records of the organization. So I'm going to pull out a table here, click Edit, and I'm going to add the dimension that I used in the pie chart for comparison. And I'm also going to use the name. So now I have a pie chart that breaks down the organization names based on whether or not there are more items in the collection. And I also have a table that shows the individual organization records and whether each organization has more items. But I think I want to facilitate data exploration by making my pie chart a filter for my table. So I'm going to select the pie chart, right-click, select Properties, scroll down, and under Flyover, select my table. Click OK. And now if I preview the dashboard, you'll see that when I hover over the different sections of the pie chart, the table updates with only the records that pertain to that section of the pie chart. And I can get it to stay by clicking. For example, if I click on this thin little slice of organizations that do not have more items, that selects it. So now when I look at my table, I only have the organizations for which that field is false. And I can investigate further by clicking Download and getting an XLS file of just those organizations. And that's how you create an interactive dashboard that pulls data from your Pipedrive account.